So, just a little insight on how my life is looking right now. Freak snowstorm here in Pennsylvania, ladies and gentlemen. Freak snowstorm. It is me and the old man here. Never mind. It is just me in this big ass parking lot. We're out here behind 924 in the factories doing work because people don't always have four-wheel drives in states that get shit tons of snow. So unfortunately, that's where we come in. We make a lot of money doing this, so I'm not tripping. So this is gonna be my life until 3 a.m. this morning, according to local meteorologists. Yeah, this right here. Yeah. I love snowboarding though, so we're not gonna be completely down in the dumps. We're gonna look at the glass as half full, and this is good pack snow here, folks. Good pack snow. Need to get through this gate here real quick. And you didn't know your boy could drive a fucking tractor, huh? Yeah, well he can. Good thing about this thing is heat, tunes. We just do this all night long.
Singer Ivan Louie. How cool is this? He just helped organize a donation of sleeping bags to a nonprofit that serves the homeless youth.
Deuces, I'll be here all night.